Welcome to our presentation on energy transition, paving the way to a sustainable future, the first episode in our series on energy transition. Today, we'll explore the journey from traditional fossil fuels to cleaner, renewable energy sources. Let's dive into how this transition is reshaping our world and leading us towards a sustainable future. The essence of energy transition is deeply intertwined with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. These goals guide us towards a more sustainable and equitable future. Energy transition plays a crucial role in achieving these targets, particularly those related to affordable and clean energy, climate action, and sustainable cities and communities. Simply put, energy transition is the shift from one energy source to another. What's different now is that this shift is a global decision to move from fossil fuels, which are non-renewable, to renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydropower. This transition is primarily driven by the need to mitigate climate change, reduce our dependence on finite resources, and ensure a sustainable future for generations to come. Energy transition has evolved over time. In the early days, our energy needs were modest and met through simple means like wood and animal power. With the Industrial Revolution and into the 20th century, fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas became dominant, driving unprecedented economic growth. Now, in the late 20th century and into the 21st century, we are seeing a significant shift towards renewable energy sources. As the world evolves, we are learning to utilize old energy sources more responsibly while embracing new, cleaner alternatives. In our dream world of the 21st century, we envision a planet where renewable energy powers our homes, businesses, and transportation. This world is characterized by clean air, sustainable practices, and a thriving environment, all made possible by the energy transition. Imagine a world where our energy needs are met without compromising the health of our planet. The need to address the challenges of climate change is a key driver for the 21st century energy transition. The environmental impacts of fossil fuel use, including air and water pollution, habitat destruction, and climate change, are significant concerns. The burning of fossil fuels releases greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane into the atmosphere, leading to global warming and climate change. By transitioning to renewable energy sources, we can significantly reduce these harmful emissions and protect our planet. Energy security is another major motivator for the energy transition. Fossil fuels are finite resources, and their extraction and transportation pose risks to supply chains. By shifting to renewable energy sources, we can enhance energy security and independence, ensuring a stable and sustainable energy supply for the future. Renewable energy sources are abundant and locally available, reducing our reliance on imported fuels and enhancing national security. Sustainability is a critical driver of the energy transition. There is an increasing demand for renewable energy sources as individuals and corporations seek to reduce their carbon footprints. By adopting sustainable practices and investing in renewable energy, we can significantly decrease our environmental impact and move towards a more sustainable future. This transition not only benefits the environment but also creates economic opportunities and improves public health. As we conclude our presentation, it's clear that the energy transition is not just an environmental imperative but also a pathway to a more secure, sustainable, and prosperous future. By embracing renewable energy sources and sustainable practices, we can address the challenges of climate change, enhance energy security, and create a healthier planet for all. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards a sustainable future. Stay tuned for the next episode in our series, where we will dive deeper into specific renewable energy technologies and their impact. Together, we can make a difference.